Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Alam nyo ba? So guys, meron naman tayong aalamin at i-react ngayong araw na ito. At ito ay galing kay Update PH. Ang sabi niya dito, the delivery of the Gorani 6x6 armored vehicles marks milestone in the AFP modernization. Dumating na ba o for delivery pa lang? Pero at least, di ba? Malaking tulong to kasi armored vehicle to di ba? So, nagkikarry din ng mga personnel natin. Meron kaya, ano kaya armaments ito? O sadyang ano lang ba? Meron ba itong cannon? Or ano lang? Machine guns lang, na armored lang, 6x6. Pero whatever it is. At least, di ba? Meron ng dagdag na kagamitan ng ating ground personnel. Di ba? Kasi kailangan din talaga natin yan. Marami tayong mga armored vehicles and mga tanks. Di ba? Yan, mga yan. Kailangan talaga natin yan. So, tara. Panoorin na natin.
This is incredible news that will strengthen our Philippines.
Sana may ganyan nga. May ganyan. Yan, mga automatic machine guns, di ba? O automatic guns. Yung namang guns yan. May ganyan din.
5 Guarani 6x6 APCs were unveiled in a special ceremony in Santa Lucia, Tarlac. This event showcased the government's commitment to upgrading our military capabilities.
Sa atin na pala to. Sa atin na pala to. Ganda.
In a special ceremony in Santa Lucia, Tarlac. Bro, this is incredible news that will strengthen our Philippine Army. 5 Guarani 6x6 APCs were unveiled in a special ceremony in Santa Lucia, Tarlac. This event showcased the government's commitment to upgrading our military capabilities and ensuring the safety of the Filipino people. With this delivery, our Army takes a giant leap forward in boosting its ability to address threats both domestically and internationally. The procurement of the Guarani 6x6 APCs is part of a $46 million defense deal signed in February 2021. This agreement includes the acquisition of these advanced vehicles, designed to enhance troop mobility, provide superior protection in combat zones, and adapt to diverse mission requirements. Initially, there was speculation about which Asia-Pacific nation would benefit from this deal. Now it's crystal clear that the Philippines is the fortunate...
Kala ko ganyan lang yung ano. Walang guns or anything. Ganyan lang. Armored.
Recipient of this crucial modernization project. However, bro, the journey to this achievement was anything but smooth. In March 2023, reports emerged that the implementation of the Guarani APC deal faced significant hurdles. The delivery was delayed due to geopolitical tensions involving Germany and Brazil. Germany reportedly withheld export approvals for certain defense components, citing Brazil's refusal to supply 35mm ammunition for Ukraine's Gepard anti-aircraft systems amidst the ongoing conflict. This situation created uncertainty about whether the Guarani APCs would ever make it to the Philippines. But, like in every great movie, there's a happy ending. After intense negotiations and diplomatic efforts, the issue was resolved, and deliveries to the Philippines were greenlit. This breakthrough highlights the importance of defense diplomacy and the commitment of both parties to fulfill their agreements. Now that the first batch of APCs has arrived, let's talk about why the Guarani 6x6 is such a valuable addition to our arsenal. Produced by Iveco Defense Vehicles and customized by Elbit Systems, the Guarani is a state-of-the-art armored vehicle designed for flexibility and durability. It can...
Grabe itong Elbit system, no? Dami nilang ginagawa ng mga military assets. Saka isa yan talaga sa mga pinagkukuhanan natin ng mga military assets talaga. Pero usually sa mga ground personnel natin yan. Pero meron tayong mga pang Philippine Navy, di ba, na Chow Dag, yung Acero class natin, parang kung sa rin yun. Sa Elbit system, di ba yan? If I'm not mistaken, di ba? Ewan ko lang, basta yun. Saan dami? Talagang bilib tayo sa Elbit system.
Operate across various terrains, from urban environments to challenging rural landscapes, making it highly suitable for the Philippines' diverse geography. The Guarani features advanced armor that provides superior protection to troops against small arms fire, shrapnel, and improvised explosive devices, IEDs. Its integrated weapon systems enable precision and safety during combat operations. Additionally, the Guarani is built for versatile missions, including troop transport, reconnaissance, and peacekeeping operations. The arrival of these APCs is not just about adding new vehicles to the fleet. It's a massive upgrade.
Ilan ba in-order natin ganyan? Lagi ko nakakalimutan talaga yan. Alam ko na-tackle ko na yan before eh. Lagi ko nakakalimutan. So may lima na tayo niyan. May parating pa tayo, di ba? Alam ko may parating pa eh. So comment down below guys kung may idea kayo. Lagi ko lang kasi talaga nakakalimutan.
That will enhance the operational efficiency and overall effectiveness of our Army in the field. This procurement also sends a strong message to the region and the world that the Philippines is serious about national defense. Amid growing tensions in the Asia-Pacific, particularly in the West Philippine Sea, the government's decision to invest in modern equipment demonstrates its resolve to protect sovereignty and ensure the safety of its people. The delivery of these APCs boosts the morale of our troops and strengthens the country's ability to respond to a wide range of threats. With cutting-edge equipment like the Guarani 6x6, the Philippine Army is now better prepared to face internal security challenges and contribute to regional stability. This first batch is just the beginning, bro. As part of the agreement, more units are expected to arrive in the coming months. These APCs will be distributed across key Army units, ensuring their impact is felt nationwide. This milestone is a testament to the government's dedication to modernizing the armed forces of the Philippines, AFP, under the Horizon 2 phase of the AFP modernization program. It's a
Grabe, di ba? Nung Horizon 2 Horizon phase 2 natin, ang dami talagang na in-acquire natin ng mga kagamitan, di ba? Parang yun ang talaga simula ng ating pagbangon, lalo na sa ating military assets, di ba? Kaya grabe din talaga yung nagawa ni Pangulong Digong. Kasi kahit ang daming nangyari ng panahon niya, yung Marawi Siege, yung COVID, lalo na yung COVID, 2 taon din, di ba? Pero nagampanan pa rin at natupad pa rin o nakabili pa rin tayo ng mga iba't ibang asset para sa ating military. Mayroon pang Navy, may pang Air Force, may pang ground personnel natin, di ba? Mga Philippine Coast Guard natin o BFAR o anything, di ba? Parang di mo lubos maisip talaga kung meron kang political will talaga, lahat ng possible na natin na magawa para sa ating bansa ay magagawa natin, diba? So talagang meron lang talagang political will ang mga nakaupo sa ating gobyerno na ang iniisip kung paano lalago at mapapaganda at paano natin didepensahan yung ating bansa, talagang matutupad naman talaga yan, di ba? Grabe talaga. sana magtuloy-tuloy ito at hindi maputol. Katulad ngayon, nangyari ngayon, binawasan yung budget. 200 billion, 75 billion na lang ata. Naging 1/3 na lang ng budget. Proposed budget, naging 1/3 na lang. Diba? Ano pang mabibili natin doon? Diba? Sana tulad nito kumbaga simula na to di lang simula halos na saan na tayo hindi naman sa malapit natin makamit it's a long way pa para sa atin kumbaga sa military napakarami pa nating kinakailangan na assets for our military kaya sana tuloy-tuloy every year diba? Yun lang naman ang hiling natin diba? Hindi naman nagangit ng sobra kumbaga yung kaya-kaya natin masasabi natin mapoprotektahan na natin at hindi na tayo mabubuli ng ibang bansa dahil alam nila na meron na tayong kaya na natin bumalag o meron na tayong kakayahan na depensa ng ating bansa. Diba?
Significant step in the right direction as we continue to build a capable, credible, and future-ready military. With advancements like this, our country is showing the world that we're not standing still. We are moving forward, preparing for the future, and ensuring our military has everything it needs to succeed.
Correct. Yeah. Pause muna tayo mga idolo. We're back.
The Guarani 6x6 is just one piece of this larger effort, and I'm so proud of our nation's journey toward a stronger defense posture.
Correct. Excuse me po. Sa video na yan, di ba? Kung meron tayong ganyang karaming Guarani, lupit na natin, di ba? So, laking tulong na talaga sa ating ground personnel yan, at least, di ba? Magiging safe sila kasi meron silang armored vehicle na pwedeng sakyan papunta dun sa kanilang mga mission o kaya pwedeng pagtaguan once na nagkaroon ng firing na, di ba? Kaya malupit ito na dagdag sa ating kaligtasan para sa ating ground personnel. Sana in the future madagdagan pa at magkaroon na tayo talaga ng battle tank na ganyan, hindi ng light tank. Ngayon, hindi ko naman sinasabing walang kwenta yung light tank natin Ganun lang tayo nagkaroon ng ganyang tanke na parang makabago na rin at moderno na, di ba? At sana in the future nga magkaroon na tayo ng battle tank. Light tank natin malupit, mas malupit pero iba pa rin talaga ang battle tank, di ba? So maraming salamat kay Update PH sa kanyang video. Kaya tayo na lang natin yung another delivery ng ating mga Guarani. Kung ilan ba talaga yan, nakalimutan ko na rin talaga kung ilan ang in-order natin na Guarani. Pero at least yung 5 dito ay nagagamit na natin. And then in the future, maybe next year, may deliver na yung second batch or last batch ba or second batch ng ating Guarani. So, hintay-hintay na lang tayo mga idolo. So, lalagay ko sa description down below ang full video na to, pati po kanyang YouTube channel mga idolo. So, huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-subscribe po sa kanya. At syempre, huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-subscribe din po sa aking channel. Hit yung notification bell at yung like button. At huwag niyo pong kalimutan na i-follow din po ako sa aking Facebook page na Alam Nyo Ba. So, dito na po tayo tatapos. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Ingat po tayo lagi. God bless us all. Bye-bye.